Hello everyone, out and about checking things out. Here we are in Southern California headed to Mammoth Lakes. In this video we'll check out the charging station at Inyokern, California with the Ravian charging, and along with that we will be doing some full self-driving on the highway route 395 heading north. A quick stop at the Lone Pine Tesla Charger, then off to Mammoth Lakes. So come along and join us for a quick trip with the Model Y and our adventure at Mammoth Lake. At this point, the green arrow is where we had breakfast with a quick Tesla charge, and now we are at the yellow arrow just past Mojave on North Highway 14. The red arrow is our next charging stop, the Inyokern Tesla Charger with the nearby Ravian Charger. We will soon pass the Red Rock Canyon State Park, which is about 27,000 acres with cliffs, buttes, and canyons popular for hiking and camping. I'd like to check this out if ever I had more time. So here is the Red Rock Park sign with the red arrow showing our current location, and Inyokern charging is the current endpoint. Right now is the end of June 2024. The temperature outside is around 105 to 110 in this area. The Model Y is doing okay in its job with the full self-driving, or in short FSD, but my main complaint is its hesitation when any type of intersections comes up, since Highway 395 is not a freeway but a highway, and there are small intersections where vehicles can exit and enter. Anyways, here's the exit to the town of Inyokern. Plugged in and charging with the outdoor heat beating down about maybe 110 degrees. Let's take a look at the Ravian charging station. I see 11.5 kilowatt with the word none on this Ravian charger. So I'm assuming this is similar to a Tesla destination charger, the ones you would find at a hotel or so, and they're usually free. These are the Ravian Adventure Network fast chargers. I have yet to check out a Ravian truck or SUV, so I am a newbie to a Ravian charger. But I do see the 36 cents per kilowatt. With this being a 300 kilowatt charger, hey, that's similar to Tesla. Nice to know if ever I come by with a Ravian vehicle at this location. Okay, so we are about 80% and good to go to Lone Pine Tesla Charger to top off before reaching Mammoth Lake. Back on the road with FSD. On the screen you can see a left turn off of 395, and FSD is not hesitating as it was before. All is well. The screen shows another 50 minutes till Lone Pine Charger with the arrival time of 2:20 p.m. with a 35% battery level. It is 105 degrees outside with the calm wind and no traffic. That is terrific. This California highway is what Interstate 5 and Highway 99 used to look like in the 80s and early 90s. With the rising population in California, more people means more cars. Slow down the speed a little bit. The cabin temperature is 71 degrees and the car is driving itself. Here we are in Lone Pine charger station. So we're here charging. Let's see, show you what's around here. To a 360 here. The green arrow is where Lone Pine Tesla Charger is located, and the red arrow is our destination. At this point, we are a mile from the exit. To sum it up, we started at the courtyard in Culver City, Los Angeles area, not too far from LAX, stopped for breakfast and a quick charge at San Fernando, then a charge at Inyokern where we saw the Ravian Adventure Chargers, then Lone Pine, and soon reaching Mammoth Lakes. And here is the exit. Mammoth Lakes is a year-round adventure land for all ages. The summer activities include hiking, backpacking, biking, camping, fishing, swimming, rock climbing, and few more adventurous activities. We decided to adventure out to see the Devil's Postpile, in addition to any nearby hiking experience. We are now westbound Highway 203, the main street into Mammoth. The Model Y is below 30% battery level. The town does have a Tesla Supercharger, so no problem there. A little info about Mammoth Lakes. This town in California is situated in the Sierra Nevada mountains, known for ski areas and nearby trails. The town is a base for Devil's Postpile National Monument, a formation of basalt columns, and the soaring Rainbow Falls. Mammoth Lakes is at an elevation of 7,880 feet, with a population a little over 7,000. As I mentioned before, there are several things to do, whether it be winter, spring, summer, or fall. We are now headed to our hotel to complete the check-in, then find some dinner, and get ready for our hike tomorrow. We will be taking a shuttle, then hike to Devil's Postpile. Good morning! Here's the shuttle taking us to the salt column. So the story is in 1911, a mining company wanted to go through the current location of the Devil's Postpile. But John Muir, a well-known advocate in preservation of the wilderness, got with President William Taft to have the mining company stopped, which resulted in making the Devil's Postpile a national park. You may ask, how did this salt formation came about? An estimated 80,000 to 100,000 years ago, basaltic lava flowed down the valley met by a natural dam which is believed to be Ice Age glacier, and as this lava solidified, the formation of salt column came about. As we further hike, we meet up with Rainbow Falls. It is about 2.5 miles hike from Devil's Postpile to Rainbow Falls. Throughout sunny summer days when the sun is at the highest, you can see many rainbows that appear in its mist, giving it the name of Rainbow Falls. If you've reached this far, I'd like to thank you for watching, and please come see us again. If you'd like to see more of this video, please check out my other channel, Check In with June.